Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And if you're successful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So I'm here currently in my Instagram profile. You can do this by clicking on me and then clicking on view profile. Once you're here, you can scroll down and see all the certifications that you have. But in this video, I'll show you how you can add a new one. I'm going to do this through Coursera. You can do this through any other certification website. In Coursera, you can get to this page by clicking on the right side top right corner and then clicking on accomplishments. This is where all your certifications are there. Once you're here, let's say I want to add this course or this certificate into my LinkedIn. In Coursera, it's very easy. There's this button. Once you tap on that, you can see all the details are given. All I have to do now is go back to my profile, click on the add button and fill in all the details. Simple copy paste. Just copy this from here, paste it here. And yeah, that's it. Once you've added everything, just copy the link. This is important because a link is easier to validate for anyone, let's say your future employers or anyone who's going through your profile. This link is something that they can click on. Once you've put in all the details, click on save, then click on skip if you don't want to advocate this. And yeah, that's it. As you can see, the course is now added onto my LinkedIn profile. If I click on show credential, it will go to the link and my certificate will be shown. So yeah, that's how you can do it through Coursera. I'm sure the process is similar and as easy for other certification websites. Hope you guys found this guide helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.